Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Not knowing why your lawn isn't performing as it should and not being able to diagnose it can be a very frustrating process for most lawn owners. In this video, we're going to show you the most common problems that could happen to your lawn and also how to treat them. Is your lawn compacted and suffering from wear? When the soil base underneath your lawn becomes too compacted from excessive wear, it can cause the grass to struggle as the roots can't go deeper down into the soil. To fix compaction, you can use an aerator or a corer to help alleviate this, and it will also improve the permeability of your soil. Aeration is best undertaken with a garden fork or tine aerator. Aerating will help fracture the soil profile, allowing air, nutrients and water to flow better throughout the soil and allow the grass to grow a deeper root system. Is your lawn getting the amount of sunlight it needs? Different varieties of grass need different amounts of sunlight to survive. If your particular variety isn't getting enough sunlight, it'll become thin, sparse and can eventually die out. If your lawn isn't getting enough sunlight, you can regularly prune back any trees, shrubs or other foliage. If your lawn is shaded by a house, fence or a physical structure, you're best off choosing a shade tolerant turf variety. Are you watering too much or not enough? When watering an established lawn, it's really important to only water it when it needs it. This will be when the rainfall isn't enough to meet the requirements of your lawn. If you do need to water your lawn, it is best to water in the morning before the heat of the day and when there is no wind. Avoid afternoon and evening watering as the lawn will sit damp overnight and this can cause fungal diseases to develop. If there are signs of disease, it's important to stop any irrigation to allow the lawn to dry out. You can also aerate with a garden fork or an aerator to help get any excess moisture out of the soil. And the next step is to apply a fungicide like Heritage Max or Mancozeb. Does your lawn need fertilising? If your lawn is getting plenty of sun and water and isn't worn out due to compaction, but is still looking a bit dull and discoloured, then an application of an all-round fertiliser with a balanced ratio of nutrients is exactly what it needs. You should apply fertiliser 2 to 3 times a year, with the important dates being spring, summer, and then again in autumn before the winter sets in. Is your lawn being mown enough? During the hotter weather, warm season varieties like buffalo, cooch and kikuyu will have an increased growth rate, so mowing regularly is really important. It is best to ensure that you are mowing frequently enough so you remove no more than 1/3 of the leaf with each pass. If you remove more than this, you may cause some scalping. Is your lawn affected by grubs? Some common signs of grub activity are brown, straw-like patches that are spreading throughout your lawn, increased bird activity, and spongy or thatchiness in your grass. If you are unsure if your lawn is affected by grubs, it is best to do a grub test. To do this, mix a bucket of soapy water and pour it over the edge of an affected area. Keep an eye on it, and after about 10 minutes or so, if there are grubs, then they will usually come to the surface. This is best done at dawn or dusk when grubs are most likely to be active. If your lawn is grub affected, an insecticide like Grub Guard or Lawn Solutions Battle will provide a quick knockdown. Other products like Acelepryn GR and Liquid Acelepryn will provide ongoing protection for up to 6 months against any future grub attack. In some situations, your turf variety may simply not be suited to the conditions experienced. For more information on how to choose the correct turf variety for your yard, get in touch with your local Lawn Solutions Australia member. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.